Hi everyone, hope you all doing good. I'm here with a new update. It's not a massive update, but it's a documentation change. All of you know, for the IM and SubQ, we will be using the skill station document. Now onwards, for the IM injection, especially on the hospital setting, they will be using implementation chart. All of you know aware about the implementation chart. For IM also they are using the implementation chart. In IM they will be giving streptomycin injection as an antimicrobial. So you in the page antimicrobial you will be getting streptomycin injection. For community setting in subcutaneous, still using the skill station document, but if there is any update about that also, we will be come back with the new update. For the current update, for the IM injection in a hospital setting, there is a change of the document. There is no more skill station document, it's the implementation document. Thank you everyone.